2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a revolutionary concept that fuses supercar DNA with the luxurious world of high-end motorhomes. Designed to stand out in both performance and presence, this futuristic vehicle redefines what it means to travel in style. It merges Lamborghini's aggressive design philosophy with premium comfort, making it one of the most talked-about vehicles in the luxury RV segment. From the outside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome commands attention with its sharp, aerodynamic lines, Y-shaped LED headlights, and a low-slung profile reminiscent of the brand's sports cars. It features large air intakes for cooling and performance aesthetics, while custom alloy wheels, carbon fiber accents, and scissor doors pay homage to the iconic Lamborghini styling. The front fascia carries the brand's bold attitude, while the rear includes sleek taillights and a unique rear spoiler for added flair. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Motorhome is expected to be powered by a hybrid V8 engine, delivering more than 700 horsepower, ensuring that it performs unlike any other RV on the road. All-wheel drive, advanced suspension tuning, and rear-wheel steering contribute to surprisingly agile handling, allowing this motorhome to perform with confidence across highways and winding roads alike. Despite its size, Lamborghini engineers have focused on keeping the weight balanced and optimizing aerodynamics for maximum efficiency and performance. Inside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome offers a spacious, futuristic cabin that balances performance aesthetics with luxurious functionality. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara, fine Italian leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The cockpit includes a race-inspired steering wheel, digital driver display, and touchscreen command center. Ambient lighting and voice-controlled features make it feel like a high-tech sanctuary. Beyond the cockpit, the motorhome transforms into a luxury living space with features such as a full-size lounge, retractable smart TV, gourmet kitchen, premium sleeping quarters, and a spa-like bathroom with advanced climate control. The layout has been meticulously designed to maximize space and comfort without compromising Lamborghini's performance ethos. A deployable rear patio space and integrated solar panel roof enhance its off-grid capabilities. Technology includes an advanced infotainment system with satellite connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in AI for route planning and energy management. Safety is a priority, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking capabilities. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just about travel, it's about making a statement. It combines the thrill of Lamborghini's performance with the convenience and luxury of a mobile home, opening a new category in automotive luxury. It's ideal for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing performance, style, or comfort.